Welcome. In this video, I will give you a quick overview of Aruba ClearPass. What is it and why it is used in the modern network. In modern organizations today, we have many devices connecting like laptops, smartphones, IoT devices, and even guest users. The big challenge is how do you know who or what is connecting? And how do you ensure only trusted users get access? That's why Aruba ClearPass is coming to the picture. Aruba ClearPass is a policy-based access control platform. It decides who can connect and what they can access, and enforcement security policies automatically across wired, wireless, even VPN connection users. ClearPass has a few powerful features you should know about. Authentication that verifies users with Active Directory, LDAP, or even users in the cloud. Second one is authorization. Apply policies like VLAN, firewall rules, or the restrictions what you want. Third one, guest access. Let visitors log in using self-registration, SMS, or sponsor approval. Device onboarding. Securely add your personal devices, BYOD devices with certificate-based authentication. ClearPass make network more secure and easier to manage. Instead of manual configuring rules on each devices, policies are centrally defined in ClearPass. So, contractors get internet access only while employees are getting the corporate access. This all is automated via the Aruba ClearPass. In short, ClearPass is your network gatekeeper, ensuring the right people and devices connect with the right access every time. In next video, we will look at ClearPass hardware versus virtual appliances. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more ClearPass videos. Thank you.